Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This sound often indicates a problem with the blade or the panel, which can happen due to wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage and costly repairs, so it's best to tackle it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement blade, a new gasket, and a clean cloth to catch any spills. First, we'll need to open the Thermomix safely. Begin by unplugging the device to ensure there's no power running through it. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top panel off. Be cautious as there may be cables inside that you don't want to disconnect just yet. Now, let's locate the faulty component. The grinding noise usually comes from the blade assembly located beneath the mixing bowl. Carefully lift out the mixing bowl and set it aside. You should see the blade assembly, check for any visible damage or wear. To remove the blade, you'll need to unscrew the central bolt using the flathead screwdriver. Turn counterclockwise until it's loose. If it's stuck, applying a bit of force may help, but be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Once the bolt is removed, carefully lift out the blade assembly and take note of how it sits within the unit. Replace it with the new blade, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Next, install the new gasket around the mixing bowl to prevent leaks when you use the machine again. Reattach the central bolt, tightening it securely but not overly so to avoid damaging the new blade. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's close up the Thermomix. Carefully replace the top panel, ensuring that all cables are tucked away and not pinched. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to ensure the grinding noise has disappeared and that everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the blade and bowl after each use and avoid overloading the machine. Keeping it well maintained will prolong its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.